Hi students, the wait is over. Previously, we did not learn subject level courses because at that time, at starting of the courses, I think 2 months back we launched paid courses. At that time, how can we, give or offer the paid courses for subject level without starting the subject? Now, at this point of time, we started machines. Okay, most of the members are asking like when will you start machines and all. Anyway, we started machines, and of course we started signals and systems, we started mathematics, we completed control systems, okay, and we started network theory. And these subject courses can be offered as of now, but we are offering only machines, we are offering, and control systems we are offering, networks we are offering, signals and systems and mathematics we are not offering as of now, because basically signals and systems around basics are completed and also LTI systems is completed. Okay, but signals and systems, though classes were scheduled because of this corona, because this corona affected complete all strata of people all over the world. So means signals and systems schedule got cancelled, and after this lockdown only we can again start signals and systems. So as of now we don't know like the future things, so that's why signals and systems we are unable to offer you subject level. Mathematics also, basically in order to offer any subject, considerable amount of portion should be completed and remaining portion should be properly scheduled. That's why we are not offering mathematics also. So we are offering machines, because 2 days back I started, and hope I'll be able to give daily whatever, because all of you are free now. Means my intention is, as I said in my previous video, I'll be able to complete, or at least I'm trying my level best, I'm planning and I'm scheduling my level best to complete within 20 days. I should be able to complete maximum hard area, line share of machines and network theory. So machines and network theory we are offering as of now, and control systems is completely completed. Okay, so these 3 subjects you can take. Means go to the website and then go to courses section, then you will be able to take all this. And many members were asking me about, sir, will you be able to provide in YouTube? Complete videos cannot be provided in YouTube here, because in my previous videos also I told you I have a team here. Okay, I have to feed the team, because means whatever they are worth enough, they have to get it. Okay, and doubt clearing team is there, many things are there. So point here is, for example, in machines, some portions definitely I will release in YouTube, but complete machines cannot be released in YouTube. And one more thing is, previously when I completed my machines videos in YouTube last year, okay, immediately after GATE exam, I got, I think, at least more than 10 calls from my previous students asking me or requesting me not to delete those videos of whatever we already provided in YouTube. Point here is, we completed only problem solving. That too means that particular lectures did not include any kind of interviews, did not include actually proper basics. Machines is altogether is different. That's why if you see YouTube videos, recent YouTube videos, automatically you will understand what we missed in simplified machine course, what we offered last year free of cost in YouTube. Okay, so anyway, as you are free now, maybe one of the subject or 2 of the subject, machines and networks, can be completed, and control systems also can be completed. Whatever the subjects you want, you can take. And remaining portion of the subjects, like maybe analog electronics or digital, or maybe measurements, or whatever it may be, once some certain percentage of portion is completed, remaining and once some part of the syllabus should be completed and remaining portion of the syllabus should be properly scheduled, then we will release all the subject videos. One thing I'll tell you, these subject level courses one should not take. Means whoever, like first thing is BTech studying students, or maybe BTech complete dedicatedly preparing guys, I don't recommend these. Whoever did not take proper offline coaching. Okay, whoever has taken proper coaching, in the sense maybe popular coaching centers, okay, they can definitely choose these subject level courses. But I'm not recommending this. Means you please learn only machines, or you please learn only signals or controls. I don't say, because from starting November 17th we started YouTube channel. From that day, in every video I was saying my strength is unifying complete electrical engineering to a single point. Okay, so complete all subjects of electrical engineering should be converted to a single point. That's why I don't recommend subject level courses. But if you have taken already proper coaching, or if you are confident in the remaining portions of the subject, you can choose machines or maybe controls or whatever you want. Okay, and one more thing is I have to clear one thing here about core combo. Okay, core combo we are offering for 15,000, and total course of GATE we are offering for time being, as I told previously, means we are offering for 20,000. People were asking me, sir, only for 3 subjects: machines, power systems, power electronics, and maybe networks. Okay, networks everywhere you will find. Now for these 3 or 4 subjects you are taking 15,000, and remaining all subjects including you are taking 20,000 only. The difference is why 5,000 is the only difference, because my intention is students should not take core combo, frankly speaking, because if anybody is weak in these 3 subjects, machines, power systems, power electronics, means that they are weak in electrical engineering. Okay, that's why, means by maintaining the difference very less, 15,000 and 20,000, 5,000 is the difference. By maintaining the difference very less, I thought that whoever are weak in these 3 subjects, automatically default they will choose complete GATE course, because 5,000 is the difference, such that they will learn electrical engineering, complete electrical engineering to the single point. That's why intentionally we kept core combo for 15,000 and GATE for 20,000. 5,000 is the only difference. Okay, anyway, whoever want subject level courses for time being, machines, controls and networks, you can choose. Courses are launched. Okay, and in YouTube, let me repeat, all the complete portions will not be, of course cannot be, because I'm not the single guy. Okay, for example, this board, whatever the board I'm writing now, it costed me lakhs. Okay, and my team, okay, means doubt clearing team, online test series team, whoever are supporting me, like in front of me there is a cameraman. Okay, so in order to support all these guys, yes, we need to take the payment, but of course at starting only, I told you on November 17th only, my payments will be definitely less. Okay, affordable to normal BTech studying student. Okay, so means let's rock soon. You can start taking courses, subject level courses of these 3 offered subjects. In future, once any subject starts, any significant amount of portion is completed, and then remaining portion is properly scheduled, then I will release remaining portion of the subjects also. Let's rock soon. Thank you so much.